Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This video is my August update of the best savings accounts for 2025. I'm making this video today on the 10th of August 2025. This is after the Bank of England has recently reduced the base rate. The base rate was cut to 4% a few days ago. So what does this mean for savings account interest rates? I'm going to tell you about that in today's video. I'll let you know about the best savings account interest rates that are available right now. Before we get into the video, please take a second to give it a like. Thanks for the like. If you want to stick around and see more videos from me, be sure to subscribe. Let's get into it. One of the big headlines is that Trading 212 have cut their cash ISA interest rate to 3.85%. You might know this if you do have a Trading 212 cash ISA like I do. They sent us an email and let us know. So this is quite a jump. If you do have a Trading 212 cash ISA and you want to look elsewhere, this is the video for you because I'll tell you about the best savings accounts elsewhere today. Also, if you are looking to switch to a different savings account from another provider because they've also lowered their interest rate, then that's what you can find out today because I'm going to go through all of the best interest rates with easy access, fixed savings accounts and cash ISAs too. If you're looking for an alternative cash ISA, then the cash ISA with the highest interest rate that you can open right now is with Tembo. The interest rate on this one is 4.64%. This is an easy access ISA, so you can make unlimited withdrawals, and I have this cash ISA myself and I can say that the withdrawals are quick too. You can open this cash ISA with a minimum of £10 up to a maximum of £20,000. If you are interested in this one, I'll leave my link in the description box below. If you do choose to open this account, you can get a bonus of up to £100 using my link. You open this cash ISA using the Tembo app. So like I said, I have this cash ISA and the app is easy to use. It's quite simple, which I like. And interest is paid monthly. This ISA is not flexible, so it does mean that if you choose to withdraw your money, you can't reinvest it in the same tax year without it affecting your overall allowance. Overall, I think this is a great cash ISA. It does, of course, have the highest interest rate available for a cash ISA right now, which is a major selling point. But as well as that, it is actually just a good ISA. So if you're looking for a cash ISA in particular because you want to avoid paying tax on the interest in your savings account, then this is perfect for you. Or obviously, if you don't have that amount in savings that you need to take advantage of the tax-free benefits, it is just a decent account with a high interest rate. So that was the best interest rate for a cash ISA, and it's also easy access. If you're looking for a standard savings account that is also easy access and does have the highest interest rate, then this next one is for you. This savings account does have the highest interest rate overall, but it is only open to new customers. And this is from Chase. So if you haven't banked with Chase in the past and you're looking for a standard savings account so you don't need it to be a cash ISA specifically, then this could be great for you. The interest rate on this easy access savings account is 5% for new customers. And to get access to this savings account, you just need to open a Chase current account. That's really easy to do. You can do it within a few clicks in the app, and then you get access to this savings account where the interest rate is 5%. With this account, the minimum deposit is £1 and you can deposit up to a maximum of £3 million. You open this account using the Chase app, and like I said, it is quite a simple app to use. I've mentioned it before on my channel because what I like about the Chase savings accounts are that you can have savings pots, and they actually are separate accounts. They're standalone accounts, so if you want to send money over to them, you have a separate account number for each of your savings accounts. But what I like about it is that you can name them different things, say holidays, and you can put little pictures. So this can be quite helpful if you are trying to reach your savings goals. I opened my Chase account many years ago now, so I don't get access to the new customer bonus anymore. But if you haven't had a Chase account before and you can take advantage of the bonus, then I do recommend it. Interest is paid monthly, and if I haven't mentioned it yet, withdrawals are unlimited and they are instant as well. In my experience, I've noticed that they're instant anyway. So overall, It is the best savings account with the highest interest rate right now, and it is a really good account. I really like it. So why not think about opening this one? If you're a new customer, of course, because then you do get the bonus interest rate. If you're not a new Chase customer, then I would recommend the Tembo one that I just talked about before that, because that does have the highest interest rate for a cash ISA, and it is a high interest rate overall as well. This next one I'm going to tell you about isn't a cash ISA, it's a standard savings account, and it does have a decent interest rate too. It is an easy access savings account, and it's from Cahoot, which is part of Santander. The interest rate on this one is 4.55%. It is a 12-month bonus rate, so it would drop after that, but then of course you could just look around elsewhere. The minimum that you need to open this one is just £1, and you can deposit up to a maximum of £2 million. You can open this one online, and interest can be paid monthly or annually. You can decide. Finally, this is an easy access savings account, so you can make withdrawals as and when you like. Continuing in interest rate order then, I'm going to tell you about the next account, which is a cash ISA, and this is from Moneybox. The interest rate on this one is currently 4.45%, and this includes a new customer bonus interest rate, which is valid for a year. In this account, you can deposit a minimum of £500 up to a maximum of £20,000. As well as having a lower interest rate than the Tembo cash ISA that I mentioned earlier, it also is a bit more limited because you can only make 3 withdrawals per year without it affecting your interest rate. So if you make any more than 3 withdrawals per year, then your interest rate actually plummets to 0.75%. So obviously it's best to open this one if you don't think you're going to need access to your money, or certainly you won't need access to your money very often. You can open this cash ISA online or in the Moneybox app. Interest is paid annually, and it's not a flexible ISA, so if you do make withdrawals in the year, then you can't redeposit them without them affecting your overall ISA allowance. So you can actually put the money back in, but it will affect your overall ISA allowance. Now for the 5th and final savings account that I'm going to tell you about today. This is a fixed savings account. This is the best interest rate for a 1-year fix that's available right now, and the interest rate on this one is 4.44%. This is with Fanquist Bank. If you've decided with all of the fluctuating interest rates that you do just want to fix your interest rate for 1 year, then this could be a good account for you. So like I said, it's a 1-year fix. Your interest rate is fixed for a year, and obviously your money is fixed too. You can open this account with a minimum of £1,000 up to a maximum of £250,000. You can open it online or in the app, and you can choose whether you want your interest to be paid monthly or at the end of the year, at the end of the term. So that's it about the best fixed savings account right now, and that's it for today's video. I've told you about the best cash ISA savings accounts that you can open right now, the best easy access savings accounts, and the best fixed account in my opinion. So these are the best accounts that are available right now on the 10th of August 2025. If I haven't mentioned it in this video, it's because it isn't one of the highest at the moment. Obviously, like I said, Trading 212 have reduced recently, and a few other banks have reduced their interest rates too. I've taken that into account when making this video, so it is up to date as of today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please leave a comment below and let me know. Also, a like goes a long way, so thanks for the like, thanks for the comment, and of course, most of all, thanks for watching, and see you next time.